the 2008 Nissan Altima Hybrid. This four-door sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. The following features are included: automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.